What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Jessie and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to share Instagram post to your story. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So first I am going to tap on the Instagram icon, select my profile icon, then click on a post I want to share, then click on the share icon, the one looking like an aeroplane, then click on add to profile, then click send to, and then press on share, then click on done. And yeah, so that's basically it is added to my story. Now if you want to share someone else's post, I'm going to use my second Instagram as an example. So I'm going to tap on that Instagram, look for the post that I want to share to my story, and the same procedure will follow. Just click on the share icon, add post to story, send to, and click on share, then done, and it will automatically shared to my story. So that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video on how to share Instagram post to your story. If you do, just give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Until next time, stay safe.